Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add and enable filters on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple. So before starting this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video as well. So let's start today's video without any further ado. So to enable filters on Snapchat, once you open Snapchat, this is gonna show you this screen where it says allow Snapchat to take picture and record videos. Click on allow, and this let Snapchat access your storage and your camera because you need a place to store your photos. Allow your camera to take pictures, so it's basically asking for your permission. After allowing all this, you can just click on this. You can just click on your camera icon over here, and after you come to your camera icon, you can click on this emoji looking thingy over here. Once you click on this emoji looking thingy, as you guys can see, your filter has been enabled. As you guys can see, let me show you different filter over here. So these are all the filter over here. Now if you want to see some more filters, then the filters available over here as well. You can search for the filter as well, and it's pretty simple to search for the filter. You can click on explore over here, as you guys can see in the bottom. Click on OK, and here are all the filters over here. Over here all the filters. So this is a for you page, so this is the recommended filter, and if you guys want to search for the filter, you can click over here on the search and then search for the filter by typing their name. And if you guys want to see trending filter over here, you can go on the trending page. Or if you want the face filter over here, or world filter, there's a lot of it, and there's music as well and creator as well. There's all this stuff. You can just explore. And if you want to use a filter, you can click on the filter and wait for some time until the filter is loaded over here. And as you guys can see, the filter has been loaded, and this is the blur filter. So let me click a photo with this filter and show you guys. I just clicked a photo. Now I can just click on send to and send it to whoever I want, like this. So that's basically how you add and enable filters on Snapchat. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and peace out.